Facebook, YouTube, right here, 𝐬𝐿_Cleaning. We are in beautiful Waterloo, Illinois today for a client that found us online, saw our reviews and videos and online presence, and that we're local and booked on the spot. We're doing some tile and grout cleaning in their bathroom area, as well as their shower wall. So that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned for results, and as always, thanks for watching. Ayo, let's go. All right. Show you what we're doing. So we're doing this tile here, the bathroom area. We're just charging our minimum of 180, as you guys can see. Just show it a little build up. We get that back to the original state. See, I'll just show it up right there. It should look like more like that right there. We're gonna do this shower wall. Get this taken care of. As you can see, just how it changes color, how it should be, and then just the water, rust, calcium buildup, especially down below. See that, guys? Get that on camera. This one's over here. So we're gonna get that, especially down there, get that back to the original state. And another satisfied, happy client. So, and then of course, clean this tile and reseal it with an impregnated sealer. And it'll be a win. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's watch the magic happen. You can already see. Just watch this, guys. Look at that difference. See that right there? Watch this. This is powder chemistry. Then we're gonna rinse it, get it back to neutral state. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Watch this. Getting all that lime and calcium and rust. Look at that, guys. Stay tuned. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, you can see I'm just finishing up now. As you can see that we got this bathroom floor just about done and clean. Then we're gonna let it dry out, put a dry pot on it, and then we're gonna seal it with the impregnated sealer, guys. So much better. Shower looks good, floors look good. Beautiful. All right, guys, just got finished up, and we're letting it dry now so we could seal it. We got Bridget wrapping up the hoses now, and make sure everything's good to go. And yeah, guys, another happy client. Stay tuned for a testimonial. And as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, check it out. Look how clean this grout is. If you guys remember how dirty that was? Look at that, guys. Wow. You have this problem, give AO a call. We got you covered. AOCleaning.com. All right, guys, we got it drying now. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we just put a impregnated sealer on here. We're gonna let this dry. It will flash off and be ready to walk on in about a half hour to 45 minutes. And the client is so excited. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.